Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 日. First, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 日 means sun, day, or date. For example, 周日 周日 Sunday. What happened Sunday night? What happened Sunday night? 周日晚上发生了什么事？周日晚上发生了什么事？周日晚上 Sunday night 晚上 night 发生了 happened 什么事 what 周日晚上发生了什么事 What happened Sunday night? 日 in cursive. 日 sun, day, date. 周日 Sunday. What happened Sunday night? 周日晚上发生了什么事？ Please comment any words or sentence with 日. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.